Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. There's no place like India. This colorful country is unlike any other in the world. Whether it's their religions, architecture, or food, they do everything differently here and they do it well. We can all learn a lot from the Indians, and there are many things that we should be doing more of, like celebrating every day with music and dance. Keep watching if you want to know more about this unique culture. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. No. 1. The Festival of Colors. Who doesn't love a good party? But the Indians take celebrations to a whole another level. Holi is the biggest festival in the Hindu calendar, and it celebrates the triumph of good over evil. It's a joyous occasion where people of all ages play with colored powder and water. The streets become one big playground where everyone is equal. It's also a time when people forget their differences and come together to celebrate life. If you're ever in India during Holi, be sure to join in on the fun. You won't regret it. Number 2, the last train. When it comes to trains, Indians are a superstitious bunch. They believe that the last train of the day is special. So much so that thousands of people try to board it every evening. Why? Because they think it will bring them good luck for the new year. Of course, this isn't true. But hey, who doesn't love a good mystery? Maybe there's something to this old wives' tale after all. No, 3 Chapel. In the United States, you might have been taught to remove your shoes before entering someone's home out of respect. In India, it's quite the opposite. It's common for visitors to be given a pair of chapel or sandals to wear inside the house. The reason behind this custom is that many Indian houses have dirt floors, and it's considered rude to walk inside without covering your feet. Plus, it's just a nice way to show your host that you're willing to get down and dirty with them. Just make sure to bring your own pair of socks. 4. Superstitions. Superstitions are a part of every culture, but Indians take them to a whole another level. For example, it's bad luck to whistle at night because it's believed to attract evil spirits. And if you see a black cat crossing your path, you better run the other way. After all, it means that death is near. Now, we're not sure how many of these superstitions are actually true, but they're certainly fun to know about. Just don't go around testing them out for yourself, no. 5. Number 8. In many parts of the world, the number 8 is considered to be lucky. But in India, it's seen as a bad omen. This is because the no 8 looks like the symbol for death in Chinese. So if you're planning on moving to India, you might want to skip the no 8 apartment. Number 6. Cows on the road. If you're used to driving on the left side of the road, then you'll definitely want to visit India. That's because the cows are everywhere. And we mean everywhere. They roam freely on the streets and often block traffic. It can be a little annoying at times, but it's also a reminder that India is a country that's still very connected to its roots. So just be patient and let the cow traffic pass. 7. Arranged marriages. Arranged marriages are becoming less common these days, but in India, they're still very much a thing. Typically, the bride and groom's families will meet and agree to the marriage before the couple has even met. Then the two families will set a date for the wedding, and the bride and groom will exchange vows in front of their friends and family. It's not unusual for arranged marriages to be set up by family members or even matchmakers. And while it may seem strange to outsiders, it's really just another way of bringing two families together through the union of their children. Plus, with all of the paperwork involved in an arranged marriage, it's no wonder why more people aren't doing it. No. 8. Bollywood. There's no denying that India is a beautiful country with a rich culture and history. But let's be real, it's the Bollywood industry that really puts India on the map. Whether you love it or hate it, Bollywood is a major part of Indian culture, and it's something that everyone should experience at least once in their life. Just be prepared to sing along even if you don't know the words. 9. Chai. If there's one thing that Indians love more than anything else, it's chai or tea. It's not uncommon to see people carrying around chai in their homes or offices, and it's often served with snacks like biscuits or bread. For the Indians, chai is more than just a drink. It's a way of life. So if you visit India, be sure to try some chai for yourself. You won't regret it. Number 10. Bindi. Many people associate bindi with Hinduism, but it's actually worn by people of all faiths. Bindi is a decorative mark that's placed on the forehead, and it has a deep meaning in Indian culture. It's said to represent the third eye, which is the center of intuition and insight. Bindi is also believed to help focus the mind and promote concentration. While these claims may sound far-fetched, there's no denying that bindi looks great on everyone. Number 11, feet first. In many countries, it's customary to shake hands with people when greeting them. But in India, it's all about the feet. When you meet someone in India, they'll likely greet you with namaste, which involves placing your palms together in front of your chest. This is a sign of respect, and it's a way of showing that you reopen and honest. The palms are kept together by pressing the soles of the feet against each other. This may seem strange to outsiders, but it's just another example of how Indians show respect for one another. Number 12, free hugs. We all know how rare free hugs are, especially in the West. But in India, they're practically a way of life. It's common for strangers to hug each other when they meet, and it's not uncommon for people to ask for free hugs on the street. Now, we're not sure if this is because Indians are just super friendly or if they're secretly trying to get some exercise. But either way, we're not complaining. The more hugs, the better. Number 13, spitting on the street. In the United States, we're taught that spitting on the ground is rude and unhygienic. But in India, it's just a way of life. It's common to see people spitting on the street, and it's often done without a second thought. Now, we're not sure if this is because Indians are lazy or if they just don't care, but either way, it's a habit that needs to stop. Not only is it disgusting, but it's also dangerous. People who spit on the street are putting others at risk of infection. Number 14, flatulence. In many cultures, flatulence is seen as rude and embarrassing. But in India, it's just a fact of life. It's common for people to fart in public, and they often not even trying to do it. The reason for this is that Indian food is notoriously gassy. The combination of beans, lentils, and spices can wreak havoc on your digestive system and often results in flatulence. While this may be embarrassing for some, it's just another example of how normal, everyday things can be seen differently in different cultures. 15. Food on the streets. In many parts of the world, eating food from the streets is seen as a risky proposition. But in India, it's just a way of life. People eat all kinds of things from the street vendors, including samosas, pakoras, and golgappas. These treats are often cooked fresh and they're served piping hot. The reason why people in India feel comfortable eating street food is that it's usually very cheap and it's also very tasty. Plus, most of the street vendors are very reputable, and they wouldn't risk getting sick from eating their food. Have you ever been to India? What did you think of the country and its people? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.